I've struggled myself and watched a lot of students struggle as well over the years, to the point I have 7 rules that think you definitely should follow to make SketchUp not such a headache for you if you're just starting out. These aren't detailed instructions, but follow these rules and you'll get a head start of becoming the SketchUp expert you're destined to become. 1. Buy yourself a cheap USB mouse with a scroll wheel. Do not, and I cannot stress this enough, try to use a touchpad or an overly fancy mouse to work your way around SketchUp. Your fingertips will get sore with the amount of zooming in and out you need to do to work properly in SketchUp. Save yourself the pain, and get a cheap USB mouse with a scroll wheel. Your fingers will thank you. 2. Use shortcut keys. Go ahead and start using shortcut keys. Helpfully, SketchUp tells you what keys do what if you just look next to each option in the menu. For example, just going back to your cursor or the select tool is the space bar. It's an incredibly helpful shortcut key to get used to. The good folks at SketchUp also have these free quick reference cards which you can download and print if you want to have a handy copy of the tools and shortcut keys in front of you. 3. Use scenes. Get in the habit of saving scenes. Even if it's not a view that's a final visual for a client presentation, having a view that you need to access a lot already saved will save you a lot of time. 4. Use groups. Please use groups. If you don't use groups and components, everything in your model will be stuck together. This will make any changes a nightmare. So save yourself, and go ahead and use group. 5. Use components. Just like groups are so important, so are components. Components are what you'll use if it's an item that gets repeated a lot in a project. 6. Learn how to use the Follow Me tool. This is one that I personally resisted for a long time. The Follow Me tool just didn't make any sense to me. However, it can be so incredibly useful. The principle of the Follow Me tool is that you can extrude a surface along a distinct path. I think the example they use in the instructor is like a pipe, so following a circle along a curved path. But for interior designers, you might actually find it really helpful for so much more than just a pipe. Think about skirting and trim. If you're using a unique profile, you can actually create it all really quickly no matter the shape of the room. To make a cornice or crown molding. Step 1. Draw a surface that's the profile of your trim piece in one of the corners of the room. Step 2. Select all the continuous lines that you need the trim to follow. Step 3. Activate the Follow Me tool. Step 4. Click on the surface of the profile of your trim piece. Step 5. Watch all of your cornice wrap the perimeter of your room instantly. 7. Learn how to make your own materials. The default SketchUp materials give themselves away every time. Your designs deserve to be shown fully, and using your actually specified materials will help them shine the way they should. This was a bit of a blitz list of 7 rules to become a SketchUp superhero if you've just started. But I promise you this list will be your ticket to work. Have I missed the rule you swear by in this list? Let me know in the comments if you think this list needs some amending. Good luck.